O. O. A diphthong, that's two sounds blended into one. O. Beginning with the number 2 position, but continuing into the smallest lip opening, number 1. O. 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 It's got 2 stages in it. O. As in no, don't, go. Commonly mispronounced as
No, don't go.
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 the second stage, the little oo, is missing. First of all, open big enough for a number 2 position, then follow through with a quick glide into the number 1. O, O. Feel the lips change position. O, O. No, don't, go. O, as in no,
No,
don't,
don't,
go.
go.
No, don't, go.
No, don't go.
Very good. No, don't, go. Shoulder, toe, nose, those, grow, phone, comb. The 2-1 list, repeat again, stage 2. No, don't, go, shoulder, toe, nose, those, grow, phone, comb. Stage 3. No, don't, go, shoulder, toe, nose, those, grow, phone, comb.